Hello friends, how are you? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty. Today I am present with a very fundamental concepts related to differential calculus. These all factors are very important to know for the student who want to learn differential calculus. If a student able to know this all fundamental concept, then it is quite possible and quite easy for those students to calculate any types of differentiations. Okay, here first of all there are a lot of problems described here. We all have to calculate these all solutions. First of all, one number. Here the question is find ddx of y. So we need to calculate the differential coefficient, that is the derivatives. First number question, y is equals to x to the power n. So we need to evaluate what will be the result of this question. Here number one, the question is y is equals to x to the power n, and the solution is here. Number one solution, ddx of y is equals to, since we are taking ddx in this side, that's why we need to take ddx in this side also. Now ddx of y is equals to ddx of x to the power n. Have a look, here the power is n, so just shift this power first, then it will be n x to the power only 1 less the power, n x to the power n minus 1. This is the solution of the first number question. Now for the second question, here it is y is equals to x square. So we need to find out the solution this question. Here in replacement of n there is only 2. Then as per the previous one, we need to calculate this question. Just replace n by 2, then you will get the result easily. ddx of y is equals to ddx of x square. Here the power is n and there is 2. That's why just shift this n by 2, and then it will be 2 and this n will be 2. So it will be 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Power 1 need not write. So 2x. This is the solution of question number 2. Now go for the question number 3. Here the question number 3 is y is equals to x to the power minus n. Now we need to solution as per the previous one. Here the power is minus n and here the power is only n. So just shift this n by using minus n. Now we need to write down ddx of y is equals to ddx of x to the power n. Since the power is minus n, that's why we need to replace this n by minus n, and then this n by minus n. This will be the results. Then question number 4. Here the question is y is equals to x to the power minus 3. Now we need to find out this derivatives ddx of y. So we need to take ddx here, ddx, and then ddx, then ddx of x to the power minus 3. Have a look, here the change is nothing but minus 3. Just replace this n by minus 3. You will get the result very easily. Minus 3 x to the power minus 3 minus 1. Here n, here minus n because of the power minus 3. So you will get minus 3 x to the power minus 3 minus 4. So this will be the result. Now question number 5. What is given here? Here y is equals to 1 divided by x. So we need to find out ddx of y by using this question. Here just have a look, we have done as per the previous one. Take ddx just before y. Here we have taken ddx just before y, and then ddx also in the side. Here 1 by x, so it will be x to the power minus 1. and this will be x to the power minus 1, and the value of n is here minus 1. So just replacement of this n, we can easily write minus x to the power minus 1 minus 1. It will be minus x to the power minus 1 minus 2. So this is the result of this question. Now question number 6. Here the question is y is equals to 1 divided by x to the power n, and the question is d dx find out. Okay, so just take here d dx. So here I have taken d dx. Here it is x to the power n. 1 upon x to the power n means x to the power minus n. Therefore this is completely equal to this maths, so it will be the same result. Now question number 7. Here it is given y is equals to ln x. So we have taken d dx of y and d dx of y in this side also ln x. If we differentiate ln x, then result will be 1 upon x, since ln x formula is 1 upon x. The next question is y is equals to log a to the base x. So first of all we need to reduce this expression. If we reduce this expression, then it will be log e to the base e ln x, then it will be ln x log a to the base e. So we need to just differentiate this one. So after differentiating this expression, we will get d dx of y is equals to log a to the base e log x ddx. Since here log a to the base e, there is no variable, that's why you can take it out, because of this is the constant, and if we differentiate this ln x, we will get 1 by x. This is the result. Now question number 9. Here the question is y is equals to sin x. So we need to differentiate sin x. We have taken d dx of y is equals to d dx of sin x. So after differentiating sin x, we can get cos x. Now the question is equals to sin ax. So we need to differentiate sin ax. Here d dx of y is equals to d dx of sin ax. Here a is a constant term, so you can differentiate it completely, just taking this constant term first and differentiate sin ax. Sin ax will be cos ax, then it will be the solution. Now question number 11. Here the question is y is equals question number 11 is y is equals to cos x. So we need to differentiate cos x. We have taken here d dx to find out d dx of y. So you need to take d dx in this side also. So after differentiating cos x, we will get minus sin x. Here similarly we need to differentiate cos ax. After differentiating cos ax, we get a minus a sin ax. Here the next question is y is equals to tan x. We need to differentiate tan x actually. If we differentiate tan x, we will get sec square x. The next question is tan ax. Here it is. If we differentiate tan ax, then the result will be a sec square ax. After that, the question is y is equals to sec x. We need to find out d dx of y. So we have taken here d dx of y, here d dx sec x. If we differentiate sec x, then the result will be sec x tan x. Then the question is y is equals to cosec x. Sorry, there the question y is equals to sec ax. So if we differentiate sec ax as per the previous one, we will get a sec ax tan ax. After that, we need to differentiate cosec x. If we differentiate cos x, x, then the result will be minus cosec x cot x. And then the question is cosec ax. If we differentiate cosec ax, then the result will be minus a cosec ax cot ax. Then the question is y is equals to cot ax. Cot x, we need to differentiate cot x. So if we differentiate cot x, we will get minus cosec square x. Then the question is cot ax. If we differentiate cot ax, we will get minus a cosec square ax. Then the final question, what is it? Y is equals to a. A is what? A is any constant. If we differentiate any type of constant, we will get 0, only 0. So these all are the very fundamental concept for the calculus, that is differential calculus. If we know this all fundamental concept, then calculus 1, that is the differential calculus, will be very easier for us. So if we consider this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you very much.